The truth is that a lot of entrepreneurs have tried making short form content to generate leads and sales for their business, whether it be an agency, an e-commerce store, a mobile app, or something like that. But the harsh reality is less than 36% of these entrepreneurs actually see any tangible results of it. And after spending hours studying and breaking down the content strategy of entrepreneurs who actually win with short form content, I have discovered the one thing they do in their short form content that brings them so many leads and sales that they know what to do with. While people like us spend hours on a piece of content for it to get less than 400 views. Which is exactly why in this video I'm going to show you the one thing that separates entrepreneurs who win with short form content from those who lose with it. And a step-by-step framework that you can implement in your content strategy right after watching this video. So the one thing that separates entrepreneurs who win with short form content from those who don't isn't the number of likes they get. It's not the number of views they get, nor is it the fact that people share their content more. And it certainly isn't the fact that you are shadow banned and they are not. And also, it's not the fact that Instagram likes their content more than yours. It's simply because they know exactly who they are targeting. And because they know who they are targeting, they know exactly where those people, their customers, their future customers, hang out. They know exactly what platforms those people, their future customers, hang out. So they don't just spray content across all platforms. Instead, they focus on one platform. And that one platform is the one their future customer slash ICP is on. Because if they didn't know which platform their ICP was on, they were trying to sell their product or service on the wrong platform to the wrong audience. It will be almost like selling steak to a vegetarian or trying to sell glasses to a blind person. Like, you need to know who your people are, who your future customers are, and exactly where they hang out. So let me show you how you can do that. So, in order to pick the right platform to focus all of your efforts on, you need to know what you want to achieve. Why are you making content? Why are you making short form content in the first place? Do you want to generate leads? Do you want to book calls? Do you want to promote your podcast? Like, what's the main goal? What's the end goal? You need to know that. That's very important. Don't take any action without a goal. Next thing you need to know is who is your target audience, right? Who are you trying to reach? For instance, are you trying to reach moms? Are you trying to reach construction workers? Are you trying to reach kids? Are you trying to reach farmers? Who are you trying to reach with your short form content? You need to decide who your target audience is. It's a good idea to go very specific on that, but if you have a vague idea of who you're trying to reach, that will serve you much better than not having the slightest clue of who you're trying to reach. So, and the most important thing is you need to know the reason why these people here would visit any of these platforms, any of the big short form content platforms out there, right? You need to know that's the most important thing because your content that you post on your page has to align with their reason for visiting that platform. For instance, on TikTok, right? People come there to entertain themselves. So if you post like a whiteboard, very educational, academic whiteboard piece of content on TikTok, it probably won't do well. It's literally in the motto of TikTok that it's something depressing like that. Like people come there to escape their reality or something like that. But your content has to help them achieve their goals of visiting that platform. And that is like one of the reasons why entrepreneurs like Devin Jassel and people who win with short form content have done so well. Because they make content that aligns with the goal of why people visit that platform. For instance, with Devin Jassel, right? Devin Jassel, people visit Instagram to entertain themselves, of course, and they're also there to connect with their favorite audience. So Devin to connect with their favorite creators. So Devin Jassel's content it's entertaining, but it's also educational, and it's mostly entertaining. And that's the reason why he's done so. It's not because of the value he gives or something like that. He basically entertains them and gives them the illusion that they've actually learned something. They may have actually learned something, but they're probably going to forget it 2 videos down. So your content has to fulfill the goal that your target audience has on a specific platform. For instance, right, on YouTube Shorts, people come there to search for solutions. People come on YouTube to search for solutions, and if it happens to be a short, they watch it, right? For instance, YouTube Shorts, People go on YouTube to search for solutions to their problems. And if the solution to their problem happens to be a short, they watch the short. But people also come there to entertain themselves. So you have to choose which goal are you going to satisfy with your content. Are you going to help them solve a specific problem that your ICP will probably search for, or are you going to make content that is going to be served to them on the home feed, on the home page, and it's going to entertain them? And there really isn't like a specific group of people that go to YouTube Shorts. Everyone basically has YouTube on their phones these days. So most of the time, if you're posting on any of these platforms, you'd have to decide the reason why people come there and how you're going to fulfill that need or that want of how they come there to so that you can achieve your goals. For instance, right, if you have like a podcast that is a little bit more on the entertaining side, that is a little bit more on the entertaining side, you probably post it on TikTok and also try posting on Instagram. But I don't think that you would have the idea to post it on YouTube Shorts if you knew that your ICP will probably never find it on YouTube Shorts. So to recap, the only thing that entrepreneurs who win with short form content do differently is that they know exactly who they are targeting and the reasons why those people they are targeting visit different content platforms. So all they do different is that they align their content to the goals of their target audience so that their content can help them achieve their goals. That's the thing that Devin Jasso has done. That's the same thing that Mino Lee has done. Everyone who's winning with short form content helps their ideal customer achieve their goals on the platform with content. So if you need any help with your short form content or you have any questions about what I said, I do have a free link down below that you can use to book a free call with me.